Hello guys, today I have something really nice. I just got myself a touch panel with a relay box that you can control all your accessories in the van. This is from see, biltema. Looks like this. Yep. And inside the box we have this. You have the black box itself with the relays, connection to the plus and the minus. The minus, it's not so heavy duty because all the current is going to the plus, so you just need a tiny cable, but this one needs to be a big one. I have opened it so you can take a look inside. And inside this box there is this circuit board, and this is something called poly PTC fuses. They are temperature fuses which also has an amperage to them. You can read more about them. I will provide a link to a clip if you like up here or down below. Anyway, the circuit board has a thick copper which goes to each relay. You can have 10 amp in each relay as well. Yep. The panel itself looks like this. Is it upside down? No, this is the correct way. You have a small switch which you can illuminate it, and then you have switches on the front. All controlled by a USB cable, and there's some tape on the backside. You can remove this red plastic and you can stick it to the place you want it. The cable that came with the kit is not that long, maybe 1 meter. I have ordered a 5 meter extra cable, and this sheet was also included with all these nice stickers. And you have a manual in different languages. Yeah. I will provide links for it down below, so you can also check the manual because it's downloadable from the biltema site. And there was a plastic bag which contains some screws and some what do you call it, terminals, crimper terminals, and a protection to put over the big positive cable that is inside here. But the important thing, how is this working? Let me connect it to the power supply and show you. This is how it looks like when you have connected it. I have put an ampere meter. Let's see if we can make that 0. There we go, 0, and a voltmeter. This one is connected to button number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one is connected to the input. So when I put on the power, we can see that it draws 18 milliamps, just the box by itself. If I hit the button with the lights, you see the milliamp is going up. This could be good to know. And if I click on button number 1, we hear the relay hit. I connect this to button number 2, so if I click on button number 2, we got full power. One more time, goes off. And if you click on all buttons, we see it draws 227 milliamps. Yeah. Another thing that this feature is having is that if you press and hold the light on one of the buttons, like this one, and hold it for a few seconds, this one will start flashing, and then this one will be, you need to hold it. It's nice if you use it for a horn or something. Toot, toot. You understand? To get it back, press both. Hold it a few seconds. There we go. Flashes. And we're back to on off. Yes, that's really it, really. If we just check that the last one is number 6, and is it number 6? So it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it goes off. Yes, nice little box. And that's about it. That was the biltema box with the touch panel, which I will soon install in my Vanagon, so keep your heads up. Before we end this video, I want to show you another thing. I have just bought this one. I will make a video for that as well in a few days. This is what do they call it? I provide links for text for it, so you can see here. You can check your fuses. No, not the fuses. What each fuse is drawing in amperage, and it has one for the flat, big one, and one for the new, tiny ones. We'll get back to that. This film was totally made by this Sony ZV1 camera and this Rode video microphone. This could be good to know if you're planning to do your own videos. Okay guys, that's all for me this time. Hope to catch you in the next one. Goodbye.